Hey, Lori Ballen here. Today I want to show you how you can quickly find the top hashtags that you can use on Instagram. And then I'm going to kind of show you a quick hack of how I save those and access those quickly. So head on over here to this domain, all-hashtag.com, all-hashtag.com. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put in the word that you're looking for. So in my case, I'm looking for keto keywords. Keto is a lifestyle, or some people call it a diet, where we eat low carb and low sugar. And I want to save these and use these for my keto blogs or my keto Instagram posts. So I'm gonna choose the top keto hashtags, and we're gonna pull 30 of those. Now, what'll happen is you're going to get a little wheel turning, and it's going to ask you to be patient as it calculates those keywords for you. And then we're going to get a list. Right here they are: keto, ketogenic, keto diet, ketosis. These are perfect. So here's what I do. I go over here and I copy these hashtags. I go over to my notepad and I copy them right here in my folder. It's called keto hashtags. Now, after that, what I do is I go over to, now my notes are accessible on my iPhone as well, of course. So I go over to my iPhone and I go into settings and I set the keyboard to automatically enter all 30 of those hashtags when I enter hashtag K. So all I have to do is the hashtag K and then put a space, and then my iPhone will automatically populate all of these hashtags every time I make a keto blog and use that hashtag K. So in this video description below, I'm going to put a link to where you can find the instructions to set that up automatically. I hope this helps. That's your quick hack for today. I'm Lori Ballen, creator of BallenAcademy.com.